Good day, children. Today we are going to be looking at our topic number work. In our last lesson, I taught us how to count number 1 to 20 and how to identify numbers. We learned how to count 1 to 20 and how to identify numbers. Today we're going to look at how to color and trace number 12 and 13. How to color and trace number 12 and 13. Look up, everybody. This is number 1 and 2. Curve and a dash. 1 and 2 is what? 12. This is 1 and 2, 12. How do we color number 1 and 2? Get your crayon, color like this. Make sure your crayon did not come out of the lines. Color it carefully so that it will be beautiful. Good children, are you with me? This is how to color number 1 and 12. 1 and 2 rather. And 1 and 2 is what? 12. Good. 1 and 2 is what? 12. Get your crayon. Color your work. Make it neat. 1 and 2 is 12. Good children. When you're doing it, make sure the crayon did not come out of the line. Wow. This is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is 12. Again, 1 and 2 is 12. Now let's go to the next number. Number 1 and 3. 13. 1 and 3. How do we color number 1 and 3? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Good. Get your crayon. Start from number 1. You color it from the top down. Are you with me? Make sure your work is neat. Don't let your crayon show at the back of the line. Color inside the lines. Good children, this is how to color number 1. Yeah, good. Now to number 3. 1 and 3 is what? 13. 1 and 3 is what? 13. This is how to color number 1 and 3. 13. 1 and 3. 13. Good. One and 3, 13. Yeah, beautiful. This is how to color numbers. This is 1 and 2 is 12. While this one is 1 and 3, 13. Now let's go to tracing of numbers 1 and 3. How do we trace number 1 and 2 and 1 and 3? Number 1 and 2, 12, and 1 and 3, 13. Look up, everybody. Are you with me? This is number 1 and 2, 12. How do you trace it? Get your pencil, put it at the top of the dotted line. Number 1, stroke it down like this. This is number 1. Good. Then the same thing with number 2. Put your pencil at the top of the dotted line. Trace it. like this. A curve and a dash is 2. This is 1 and 2, 12. That's how to trace number 1 and 2, 12. Now for number 13, put your pencil at the top of the dotted line. Stroke it down, number 1, like this, through the dotted lines. Good. That's number 1. Same thing with number 3. Yeah. A curve and a curve is 3. Good children, this is how to trace number 1 and 2, 12, and number 1 and 3, 13. Number 1 and 2, and number 1 and 3. Thank you. Now you're going to do this for me. We're going to identify numbers, trace 1 and 2, 12, and 1 and 3, 13. Your homework, you're going to identify number 1, identify number 1 and 3 among this number. I have 3 here. Wow, 8, 1 and 3. I'm going to identify and circle number 4, number 1 and 3, number 6, 1 and 3. That's number 2. You're going to color number 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. To color this number 1 and 2, 12. And 1 and 3. Color number 1 and 2 and number 1 and 3. 13 as your number 2. Number 3, you're going to trace number 12 and 13. You're going to trace this number 12. Sorry. And this number 13. Good children, I believe you enjoy your class. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.